Number 4. CIGMAN 3x360 3D Green Crossline Laser Level. If you want the best professional laser level on the market, the CIGMAN Green Crossline Laser Level is the answer. Its green laser beam can reach up to 100 feet indoors, making it perfect for complex installations. One of the standout features of this laser level is the 3 lasers it offers. With one 360-degree horizontal line and two 360-degree vertical lines, you have the flexibility to create grids for any project. The remote control allows you to adjust the brightness from a distance, a handy tool for large spaces. The self-leveling feature within plus or minus 4 degrees is impressive, and the option to lock it in place is convenient for specific tasks. The accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet ensures precise results, even after a drop test. The rechargeable batteries and included accessories like a mini tripod and magnetic clamping base add value to the overall package. What stands out most about this laser level is the ability to create precise and intricate designs with ease. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this tool will make your projects more manageable and efficient. If there's one downside, the laser may struggle in the brightest sunlight, so it's best used indoors for optimal performance. But overall, the CIGMAN 3D Green Crossline Laser Level is a top-tier product that will elevate your projects to the next level. For a professional laser level that delivers on performance and reliability, don't miss out on the CIGMAN 3D Green Crossline Laser Level. Still searching for the perfect laser level? Don't give up just yet, we have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.